Right, check out this beautiful Alpina version B3 GT. We've just got this in for a customer. Obviously here at TTW Installations we can pretty much do anything to an automotive vehicle, retrofitting, secure it, audio, you name it, we can do it. But I just thought it'd be really nice just to sort of show you this particular one, because apparently this is one of one, so it's the only opportunity you'll get to probably see one of these unless you see this particular one on the road. So this customer's dropped it off with us. We're just going to secure it properly so it doesn't disappear out of his possession, but I thought it was quite nice just to do a bit of a walk around. You don't see many of the Alpina versions. I'm quite sort of partial to these compared to sort of regular M versions. They just have that little extra about them, just little details which are just really nice. I mean, this colour, I mean, it's perfect day to show off this, but the colour is absolutely spectacular on this one. And then yeah, just wheels and nice braking power. So yes, I just thought we'd have a little walk around this, as I've got a spare 5 minutes, which is quite rare for me, but just warranted a nice little walk around. And I'll just show you inside as well, because it's got a few other nice little details that you just get. Here we go, touring. Yeah, it's just lovely. All monogrammed on the seats as well. So yeah, see, they really do a nice job. Just making that a little bit different than the normal M series. So if you have any BMW and you want extra security with it, then obviously please get in touch here at TTW Installations, or anything else you want retrofitting to the vehicle, then I'm sure we can oblige. But yes, please get in touch.